Number 1. Experience India's #1 men's trimmer. Complete with a 5-year warranty. Complete with a 5-year warranty. Number 2. Presenting India's #1 trimmer. Versatile grooming with 90 minutes runtime. The ultimate beardo. Meet the Beardo Chrome Beast. 90 minutes runtime. 8 attachments. Grab this deal. Number 3.
Zlade Ballistic Pro, the ultimate full-body groomer. Ape-X 7 waterproof with ceramic blades. 90 minutes of powerful runtime. Full-body manscaping made easy. Grab this deal for
Number 4.
Bombay Shaving Company Beard Trimmer. It has 38 length settings. 2 times fast charging, 20-minute runtime. Choose the best from the rest.
Number 5.
Meet the VGR VO7 Professional Trimmer. It features a precision blade and long runtime. Enjoy fast USB charging and 3 length settings. Get 55% off today.
Meet the VGR V071 Professional Trimmer. It features a precision blade and long runtime. Enjoy fast USB charging.
Number 6. Seven. Number 8.
Get the Bronze Series 5 trimmer. Over 400 bought last month. Limited time deal, 23% off, only $3,099.99 with a 2-year warranty.
Number 9.
Over 1,000 bought this past month. Get 50% off this limited time deal. It features a fully waterproof shower-friendly design. Only $14.99 with a 1-year warranty. Upgrade your grooming routine today.
Number 10.
Experience the Zlade Ballistic Trimmer. Get this limited time deal at 48% off. Now only $1,209. It comes with a 1-year warranty.
Number 11.
Experience the Richards Kingsman Pro. Ultimate versatility with a 2-year warranty. Precision engineered blades for a perfect trim. Get 55% off today. Meet the Richards Kingsman Pro. A 12-in-1 grooming kit for complete styling. Precision engineered blades for power and efficiency. Grab this deal and upgrade your routine.
Number 12.
Get the VGR Rosso Professional Hair Trimmer. Over 200 bought this past month. Now 36% off at just $15.99. Featuring a smart LED battery display. Complete with a 2-year warranty.
All-in-one trimmer. 4 heads for flawless head-to-toe smooth results. Quick, gentle, and perfectly precise. Your best smooth, from brows to bikini. Meet the Bombay 6-in-1 Trimmer. 6 attachments for complete hair removal. Fast C-type charging. It is fully waterproof. Get it now for just $13.91 with a full 1-year warranty. Get the ProTouch All-Rounder Trimmer. It ensures a smooth, precise trim. The complete grooming kit. Grab this amazing deal now. ProTouch All-Rounder All-in-One Women's Trimmer. For face, body, underarms and bikini line. Rechargeable and water-resistant. Painless grooming tool.
ProTouch ensures a silky smooth finish. Or rotary head, remove hair effortlessly. Safe and rechargeable. I love how gentle it feels. Get your ProTouch All-Rounder.
Get 52% off. Only $1,099. Includes 1-year warranty. 2K plus bought. In the past month. Meet the Zlade Summer Pro. Soft ceramic blades mean no nicks or cuts. Get 90 minutes of runtime with fast charging. It is fully waterproof and silent. Experience the Zlade Summer Bikini Trimmer. Featuring soft ceramic blades. Get it now for just $17.99. It includes a 1-year warranty. Experience gentle care. It is completely waterproof. Meet the new Zlade Pro.
Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Like, share, and comments. Check description for more information of these products.